The Department of Health reported a case of hearing loss related to fireworks. The victim is a 23-year-old female in Central Luzon.
Hindi siya yung nagsindi mismo nung quitis, passive involvement siya, pero dun sa kanyang bahay siya ay nabingi.
The Department of Health emphasizes that the sound of firecrackers surpasses normal conversation by more than double.
Kapag nag-uusap tayo ng normal, ito ay nasa mga 60 decibels lang. Yan yung pangsukat ng lakas ng tunog. Kapag meron tayong motorsiklo na dumaan sa paligid natin, 95 decibels yon. Kapag may sirena ang isang pulis o bumbero, mga 120 decibels. Mas mataas pa doon yung fireworks, 140 to 150 decibels.
ENT doctor said that exposure to higher noise could not be cured, such as the sound from fireworks.
Actually, 140 decibels pataas, yun yung nagkukos ng ear pain din, no? Na dahil sa sound vibration. Kaya, yun talaga yung dapat nating iwasan.
Meanwhile, hospitals across the country are currently on code white alert, signaling their preparedness for potential casualties resulting from firecracker-related incidents, particularly before the year ends.
Una, meron tayong ina-anticipate na national event or holiday, as we know, New Year's Eve, no, or celebrations. And we anticipate an emergency with potentially 10 to 50 casualties. Ang tinatawag dyan, mass casualty incident.
In East Avenue Medical Center, an area is designated for firecracker-related injuries.
So, meron tayong mga gamit dito na para ma-address yung mga injuries na na-sustained, yung mga pangtahi ng sugat, yung pang-inject ng mga anti-tetanus. Dito din yung mga kung sakali na aabot doon sa kailangan putulin yung daliri, meron din tayo dito.
The hospital management said that they are receiving cases due to alcohol drinking, which is more than the firecracker-related injuries.
Yung mga na-encounter namin na related sa alcohol, yung mga nagsasaksakan, mga involved sa motor or sa driving sa kotse dahil nakainom sila. Yun yung mga mga nakita namin.
Kapag sinabing lasing, kahit isang inom lang po, isang bote, isang shot, medyo maaapektuhan na yung ating balance and sense of judgment. So yung mga nagmamaneho ng motor, maaaring sumemplang. Yung mga nagmamaneho ng mga kotse at mga iba pang sasakyan, maaaring makatulog or ma-miscalculate, hindi makita yung distansya.
The DOH officials plans to conduct inspection in several hospitals this weekend. Ray Pelayo, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.